Before we even get to the US30 market, let me quickly explain what is US30, aka Dow Jones, or you can call it DJ30. DJ30 is 30 large companies in USA. These 30 large companies is companies like Coca-Cola, McDonald's, Microsoft, Nike, and so on. In total, there are 30 companies under the US30 market. So under these 30 companies, we have only 11 companies which are powerful under the US30 market. These 11 companies, they are the ones which tell us whether we have to buy or sell the US30 market, right? So we are going to use the app called CNBC to check for these 11 companies in order for us to trade US30 at 4:30 or 4:30. So if you don't have this app, you can go to Google Play Store or Apple Store and download this app called CNBC. If you can't find it on Google Play Store or Play Store, you can download the app called investing.com so that you can add your watch list of the 11 companies which you are going to add now. So let me show you how this app look like, the CNBC app. So as you can see, here is the CNBC app. Let me quickly open it. When you open this app, it's going to take you here. It's going to take you here on news. As you can see, we have all different news here. So after you've opened this app, you have to come here to watch list. So as you can see, it's saying create a watch list. So let's quickly create a watch list here. You can name it US30 moves, right? US30 moves. So there it is. So yeah, now let's add those companies. Let's add those 11 companies which fall under US30. So the first company which you are going to add is called United Health Group. So as you can see, here it is. You search and add. If you can't find United Health Group, you can just search for UNH. Then it will pop up like that. Then you add it. The next one is Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs. Or you can just search for GS. Then you add it like that. Then the next one is Home Depot, right? Home Depot. If you can't find Home Depot, you can just search HD. Then there it is. The next one is Microsoft. Microsoft, you search, add Microsoft. The next one is McDonald's. So you search and add McDonald's. The next company which you're going to add is called Visa, right? You can just search for V and add. The next one is called Caterpillar Inc. Caterpillar Inc. Search and add. The next one is called Boeing Company. So you can just search BA, Boeing Company, BA. You search and add. The next one is Honeywell International, right? Honeywell International. So you search and add. Then the next one is Salesforce.com. Salesforce.com. As you can see, here it is CRM, or you can just search for CRM. Then the next one is Amgen, or you can just search for AMGN. As you can see, you search and add. So I think we're done. Adding our companies. So let's quickly check. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here they are. 11 companies under the US30 market. So it means that if you want to trade US30 at 3:30 or 4:30, all you have to do is to download this app, come here to watch list, add these companies and check how they perform. So it means that at 3:30 you will check how are these companies performing. So if these companies they are all positive, you buy the US30 market, right? And if all of them they are all negative, you sell the US30 market, right? So let's say if you find that, okay, these companies, some of them they are positive and some of them they are negative, it means that you have to check for the 4 main companies under the US30 market. The 4 main companies is companies like Microsoft, Home Depot, Goldman Sachs, and United Health Group. These 4 main companies, they are the ones which are important under the US30 market. So if these four they are all negative, you sell the US30 market. And if these four, they are all positive, you buy the US30 market. So it means that these other ones from McDonald's and these other ones, they are just there to support whether we have to hold our trade or to close our trade. So it means that if you find that maybe both all four, they are positive, and these other ones maybe it's a mix, it means that you can hold your trade for at least 15 minutes or 30 minutes, then that's it. But if you find that all of them, they are positive, then you can hold your trade maybe for hours or maybe 1 hour, depending on what how long you want to hold your trade. So even under these four main companies, there are those companies which are very, very important under the US30 market. These companies, you might find that maybe everything is negative, and these companies, they are positive. Maybe two of them, they are positive, and you find that the US30 market is taking that direction of the two main companies. These main companies is companies like Goldman Sachs and United Health Group. These companies, they are very important. They are very, very powerful under the US30 market. So it means that at 3:30, when you are trading the US30 market, all you have to do is to come here and check how Goldman Sachs and United Health are performing, in order for you to understand the direction, in order for you to know whether you have to buy or sell. You have to check for these two main companies. So if you find that these two main companies, they are both negative, you sell. If you find that these two companies, they are both positive, you buy the US market. I hope you understand. As long as maybe these two of them, United Health and Goldman Sachs, they are positive, and maybe one of these two main companies is also supporting them, then you buy the US30 market. And if you find that these two, they are both negative, and one also is also negative between these two, it means that you sell the US30 market. It means that they are going to overpower that one company which is positive under US30. I hope you get this one. So let's say maybe now you find that United Health is positive and Goldman Sachs is negative. So what do you do? If you find that United Health is negative and this other one, Goldman Sachs, is positive, it means that you have to leave the market alone. You don't have to trade. If you find that maybe United Health is +2 like this and Goldman Sachs is -4 like that, it means that you have to leave the market. You only trade the market if, let's say, maybe United Health is +2 like this and maybe Goldman Sachs, it was -10 and above. Then that's when you know that, okay, now this one is very powerful. As long as it's more than 10 and above, even if the other one is negative or positive, doesn't matter. It means that it's powerful. So the same way, if you find that maybe between these two companies, one of them is on +20 and above, it means that this company is very powerful, more than all the companies during that time. So it means that you will have to follow that direction of the one company. As long as it's +20, then you take that direction of the one company between Goldman Sachs and United Health. So it means that if you open your chart and you find that, okay, United Health is +20, you follow the United Health. Even if maybe if as long as Goldman Sachs is not -20, because if the other one is +20 and the other one is -20, they are going to they're going to move both directions. As long as the other one is less than 10 and the other one is +20, then you take that direction of +20. I hope you understand that one. So those ones who are asking, which one do I prefer to trade during this session, the New York session, between US30 and US100? I can say I can't choose between these indices because they are both the best indices in the market. They are both good. So you can't really choose which one is the best. But what I know is that US30 is very volatile. US30 is very volatile. As long as you get that, okay, everything is negative, you take the US30 movement, you are going to make more money than the money you are going to make on US100. So this one, it has a lot of money and is very volatile. You understand? So That's what I know, that okay, US30, when it moves big time. Even during the New York session, it moves big time. So as long as the numbers are corresponding, as long as the numbers they are telling you to buy and it's a strong buy, then the market is going to move like crazy. And as long as if they are telling you that it's going to sell, then the market is going to move like crazy. So even this one is the best. Even US 100 is the best. Even this one is the best. So you can't really choose. Maybe you can take both of them or choose the one you like. So those who are asking also that what are these numbers for? Why are they changing every day? These numbers here they change because it's the performance of the company. As we all know that each and every company, it's either they make a loss or profit. So it means that in order for them to get this number, they took yesterday's results, they took yesterday's performance when the market performed from when it opened to 11 o'clock. They separated with how it performed today, how it performed since 11 until now. Then they separate, then they get whether they are making profit or they are making loss. So that's why these numbers are they have to change every day, is because the other days these companies they will make a loss, and then another day it will make a profit. So I hope you understand. And price here is the price which these companies are traded on. So is their market value at the moment. So I think I'm done. I'm done explaining the strategy under the US30 market. If you missed it, you'll have to go back and watch this video again. Maybe try to understand what I explained here about these two main companies and these other ones. So it means that these two also they're just there to support. As long as one, two they are negative, and one of them, one of between Home Depot and Microsoft is also negative, you buy. You understand? It means that as long as these two they are on the same side, the market is going to take that direction. Understand? So if you missed it, then you can go back and watch the video again.